how to change a single page to landscape in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Word and then let's scroll down. So this is the first, second. I want to change to the fourth page to landscape. So what I do is select the text and then go to layout. Now, in the right hand side of the page setup, you see this arrow, tap on it and then choose the orientation to landscape. And now you can see apply to, tap on the drop down and then tap on selected text and then hit OK. And there you go. Only this page has been changed to landscape. Everything else remain portrait. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.